5 things to consider before you start homeschooling. The first tip that you want to consider is your why. Why do you want to homeschool? So you have to ask yourself this simple question. What would the end result do you think would be if you chose to homeschool versus if you chose not to? And does that end result line up with your family's beliefs, values, and what you hope their education will be like? Tip number 2 is the what. What does your state require for you to homeschool? Do you need to notify them? Do you need to do some record keeping? Look at I think it's HSLDA. I'll put the website in the description box, but look at their website and it's a quick, easy read and find out what your state requires. Tip number 3 is the how. How do you plan to homeschool? What curriculum are you going to use? What philosophy do you already have as a parent or a teacher? I have tons of curriculum review videos that you can find on this channel. Follow the Brown Bear Book Club. It's totally free to join. I send you newsletters, things of that nature, and encouragement. So make sure you do that just to get you some ideas to get you started. But you want to look into some curriculum because that might help you along the way of what you will find your homeschooling style is or what curriculum works best for your children. Tip number 4 is the when. When are you going to homeschool? Are you going to quit your job? Are you not going to quit your job? Are you going to do it during the morning or maybe in the evening? The cool thing about homeschooling is time is in your favor and you can be as flexible with your family and do what works best. So if you're on the road traveling, you can homeschool on the go, or if you have a more structured schedule, it's up to you. And that is the beauty and the liberty you have with homeschooling. Tip number 5 is the where. So where are you going to homeschool? A lot of people think that homeschooling has to be in the home, but you can join co-ops, you can join communities, you can homeschool, and some states have like learning pods or small groups. So where are you going to homeschool? Are you going to go to the library? That's the cool thing about homeschooling. You can do it anywhere. And the last one is who are you going to homeschool with? Are you co-teaching with your spouse? Talk about your strengths and weaknesses. Are you going to include grandparents? I knew a family where the grandma taught the kids a foreign language like Spanish. So don't feel like you are in this alone. And if you're a Christian, ask God, pray, ask the Lord to send you people. Because I'm telling you, whether you are a teacher or a parent, it is so much easier doing it with a community. Not saying that you guys are together every day, but saying that you have someone to bounce ideas off of, to pray with, to encourage each other. And if you have enjoyed today's episode, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And if you need resources, tools, tips, join the club for free. The link is below. I'm also an author and educator. Feel free to check out my books. I got some cool things that can probably help you along the way with your homeschooling journey. And I look forward to hearing from you. Let me know in the comments. Are you already homeschooling? Are you thinking about it? How old are your children? I would love to connect with you below. Talk to you guys again later. Bye.